here we are. I've just fitted my summer tyres and wheels, and I will show you with their new TPMS sensors fitted. I'll show you how we can bind them up. So we wait for our 997 Chrono to boot. We go across to settings, then keep going down, lots of settings, and then when we get to our TPMS is enabled, it's currently on our winter profile, so I will change that to the summer profile. You can manage profiles in here as to what you label them, whether they're enabled or not. So you can see if you want track or dry or others or spare or whatever you want. So that way, if you've got multiple sets of wheels, you can put TPMS sensors in any of them and just swap between. So here at the moment it will say no TPMS binding, so I'm going to leave it on this screen. The sensors, we've got a Bluetooth, so they don't need to be moving to transmit. They'll send a small packet every 3 minutes if there's no pressure changes. So at this point we leave it. I go off to have a cup of tea and we'll check back in a second. Okay, so we can see all the bindings have appeared. Now, with the TPMS sensors, you'll get a card with all the codes on. So effectively, what you're looking at is where it will say 228 EE3 for rear right. There should be ending 228 EE3. Literally select the wheel and then assign that to a wheel. Where are we? Sorry. So you assign to wheel, pick the wheel, and then that binding will be in place. Right, I'm just going to do these with the K phone off. Bindings are all complete. As you can see, I've found the right MAC addresses, matched the last 6 characters with those on the card. Obviously, when you get your tyre placed to fit the TPMS sensors, note which one goes in each. The card already has it, but if they ignore that, obviously just get them to write on the card so you know which one's which. Once they're all bound, we should be able to exit, across, and we have our TPMS sensors starting to transmit data. And a final one, after waiting a couple of minutes or so, all the TPMS data comes through. So as I can see, my rear left needs a bit more air. Yeah, so I'll pump that up and we will see how we go. Just so you can see, when the headlights go on and we go into the dark mode, obviously we'll get all the inverted dark version, light, all the rest of it. So yeah, if you want to know more, check the website, drop me an email, send a comment, whatever you want to do.